Bitpanda Crypto Investment Platform Review Usage Experience. Links to Bitpanda are in the description below. In this review, I'll break down its features, who it's best suited for, and whether it's a good choice for crypto investors. Bitpanda is a European-based investment platform that offers not just crypto trading, but also stocks, ETFs, precious metals, and commodities, making it a versatile option for diversified investors. It's known for its user-friendly interface, wide asset selection, and strong regulatory compliance, particularly in Europe. One of Bitpanda's standout features is its wide range of supported assets, with over 200 cryptocurrencies available alongside traditional financial products. This makes it an excellent choice for users who want to manage multiple types of investments in one platform. The platform is designed for both beginners and advanced traders, offering Bitpanda Pro for low-fee trading with professional tools, while the standard platform focuses on simple, hassle-free buying and selling. Funding options are another strength. Bitpanda supports SEPA, bank transfers, credit and debit cards, Skrill, Neteller, and even PayPal for deposits, making it convenient for users in Europe and beyond. Additionally, its Bitpanda Savings feature allows users to automate recurring crypto purchases, perfect for dollar-cost averaging (DCA) strategies. Security is a priority, with strict regulatory compliance in the EU, two-factor authentication (2FA), cold storage for assets, and full KYC verification for users. This makes it one of the safer platforms for European investors. The platform also offers a Bitpanda Visa card, which allows users to spend their crypto or fiat balances anywhere Visa is accepted. However, Bitpanda's standard trading fees are higher than traditional exchanges, making it less ideal for frequent traders, unless they use Bitpanda Pro, where fees are more competitive. Additionally, while it's great for European users, those outside the region might find limited availability for certain services. Overall, Bitpanda is a top choice for European investors looking for an all-in-one investment platform that combines crypto, stocks, and metals in a secure and regulated environment. If you want a simple yet powerful way to manage diverse investments, Bitpanda is worth considering. Check the links in the description to get started.